Introducing the 2026 32 TBDS Valley Ridge, an exceptional luxury travel trailer designed for those who want more than a place to stay. With its commanding exterior presence and refined design, this model brings residential comfort and upscale craftsmanship to every getaway. As you enter, the main living area immediately sets the tone. A spacious U-shaped dinette sits beside the theater seating couch, surrounded by generous windows, beautiful natural light, and upgraded finishes that give the space a bright, sophisticated, and inviting feel. The entertainment wall creates a stunning focal point, complete with a fireplace and TV setup that brings warmth, comfort, and true lounge-style atmosphere into the heart of the RV. The kitchen continues the elevated design with sleek black appliances, a stovetop, oven, microwave, dual sink, and a layout built for both everyday convenience and effortless hosting. The master bedroom feels like a private retreat, filled with natural light and anchored by a dramatic floor-to-ceiling window. With its own fireplace and TV, this space brings a level of comfort rarely found in a travel trailer. The master bedroom also features a real closet, giving you proper wardrobe storage and making l'entrée feel organized, comfortable, and truly livable. Inside the master bath, dark wood shelving, black finishes, and a fully tiled shower create a bold, modern, and beautifully finished space that feels refined from every angle. The luxury bunk area is equally impressive, with stairs leading to the twin upper bunk and a fully separated lower bunk on the opposite side of the wall. This thoughtful design creates 2 additional private sleeping areas, making it ideal for family, guests, or anyone who values personal space. The powder room adds another smart and stylish touch, featuring a space-saving sink that folds out from the wall for added convenience without compromising the clean design. Are you ready to experience the 2026 32 TBDS Valley Ridge for yourself? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and explore this ultimate luxury trailer up close.